The closer you got to me, the faster I try to leave. Like a mirage, like a mirage. The stars that you know like me, on my arms I appear empty. Like a mirage, like a mirage.
Yeah, just shouting everyone's name. So to make today's install video even more exciting, we have the boys from Meguiars. Well, we have one of the boys from Meguiars.
The bearded one is not here.
The bearded one is yet to arrive, but he's also on his way. And they're detailing the Ferrari 488 Liberty Walk car, which is excellent. And Mike just asked, we don't have an outside tap, so you can't wash it. And Dale over here said exactly what? What did you say?
Dry wash it, wash marks anywhere. Obviously it comes with a common sense tag that if it was really mucky and dirty, we would find somebody that did have an outside tap and wash it outside, but something like this, just got light grime on it. Use this heavy duty detailer, just wash it down before we start detailing.
What's the little torch for?
It's a sun gun, so it picks up defects that are in the paint.
It's a small solar system.
It is, yeah. What it is, it picks up the cobweb style swirls that are in the paint.
Ah.
So it imitates sunlight.
Oh, that's cool.
So it means that if you can get it looking good under this lamp,
yeah,
outside it will look awesome.
Yes, yes.
In this mirror.
You think you're funny? No, I'm asking questions, you think you're funny?
No, I know I'm funny.
There's loads.
Yeah, so you go from that side to that side.
What's so funny?
You've done one side bit?
Yeah.
Okay, did you see he's done one side?
Yeah, this is all thingamajig and that's all like beautiful clean.
And have you got that in your camera?
Yeah, we can't.
Elocution.
You can only see so much from camera, it's actually quite hard.
In 20 years, yeah. 20 years of that in my life. 20 years.
It's just so manly.
You like it? Sex Panther. No, from Starsky and Hutch. Oh.
I used to love Starsky and Hutch. This isn't
don't
conducive.
Oh, wait, is this thing on?